You can let people message you on WhatsApp with just one click from your TikTok or Instagram bio. No saving number, no searching, just one click. Here is how to create your WhatsApp link in a second. Open your browser and type wa.me slash your phone number including the country code. If you want add message so people contact you faster, just add this after your phone number. Question mark and text and equal mark and your message that you want. Now copy the link and paste in your TikTok bio or Instagram bio. Whenever someone clicks, WhatsApp will open directly and start chat with you. This one of the easiest way to get more messages from your customers or followers or clients. Save this video so you can create your WhatsApp link anytime.